This birdhouse I got in Dahlonega after I officiated a wedding. This birdhouse Bob just replaced for me. It was old. This one was broken. That's what started it all. But I have a lot of bluebird houses, and I like bluebirds. This one is just a mailbox, but I get little birds in it every year. Which birdhouse do you think is in a teapot that has had a bird in it? I've only had one teapot or coffee pot with baby birds. The others, no, not so much. All the wooden teapots have had birds in them. I keep hoping that I'll have more. Sometimes I do get hummingbirds that nest. The wooden ones all get baby birds. And the ones on the fence, they get baby birds. Some of the bushes and shrubs get baby birds. Families that nest in my yard in the shrubs and the flying dragon and the camellia and the magnolia, and then I have water for the birds to drink. And I had a nest here when I had a wreath, but this is just a tire. And we water our birds. We've got places for them to drink in several places around the yard. And I do mosaic. And no bird has ever lived in this hat. Thank you.